Hello, this is Rachelle and I have another journal to share. This is a tall, skinny journal. This is what it looks like. It's a bit of a gator mouth, but a lot of the ephemera and embellishments can be removed. And the journal measures 4 3/4 wide by 11.5 inches in height with a 1-inch spine. It is saddle stitched and it has ribbon stitching that is exposed. The cover is mixed media with collage. It has 80 pages front and back with a variety of different papers. It has a ribbon closure, black ribbon closure. It's just tucked underneath the stitching, so it is completely removable if you want to remove it. It has some interactive pieces on the front in these envelopes, little tags. This is a larger tag here that is backed and can be written on. Has a book plate here, and you can use like some tweezers or something to slide that out and add whatever you want on the book plate. This will be for sale. I'll have to turn it to the side so you can see it all. This will be for sale in my SCRAPCRAFTASTIC.com shop. I will leave a link in the description box below. You may remember some of this. I think I made some of it on my SCRAPCRAFTASTIC channel, and there might be some video footage over here on Journal Life's Journey. If there is, I'll link to all of the footage that I have in the iCard up above so you can check it out. But this is, I didn't fill all of the pockets because I wanted to leave something for the recipient, and as you can see, it's already a little full, so I didn't want to go overboard. This is a belly band closure with pockets on the inside here. I used upcycled coffee or tea stained paper, and then it just ties closed like this. This is hemp cord. Then this one is another belly band. This is an origami pouch that opens up here, and you can put your photos, ephemera, little notes inside there as well, and close it back up like this. The paper that I used, this red paper, is scrapbook paper, and I've also used quite a few digitals. I have vellum. This is some DIY acetate that I use for the first page. This is vellum. This is one of my digitals. It does have some tab details. The tabs use some of the same mixed media paper that I use for the cover. Again, coffee and tea stain paper throughout. This is some decorative vellum, another digital. This is all digital scrapbook paper. This, actually, the red paper is digital. It has some spots for journaling there. This is a pocket. It's a pocket. So these are like Project Life cards. We have ledger paper that's been stained and aged. This is digital paper with a tab here. Got a little corner tuck with a large tag. This tag digital is available at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC. Black paper with writing space. This is a 3-slot belly band with tickets, a variety of different tickets. This is a tiny library card. Another digital paper. Have a pocket here, and the pocket is made with coffee or tea stain paper. This is one of my digitals. Let's start in the back. So this is a piece of scrapbook paper I used to make this tag, the tab. This is a postcard from my stash, a digital room to write on the back of. This is a booklet using some of my digital papers. This is a journaling card, again using some of my digital papers. Have a little heart embellishment there. This is a Tim Holtz Botanical, a digital from my papers, journaling card, a little collage. digital paper. This is from the Graphics Fairy. It's a little library pocket with journaling space. There's room for decorating here. This is a cluster, journaling space. This is a pocket. I didn't put anything in here. Again, this was getting too full, so I wanted to leave some space. Some stamping. This is a doily. And this is an envelope pocket or tag pocket made with an envelope. And it has some writing paper behind. And then inside the envelope or the tag, there is a tag. Okay, so that slides right in there like that. Digital paper. We have another cluster. This opens up. This can be sealed. These are the tails. You can trim those off, tie them in the bow, and seal them in the envelope if you want, or leave them hanging. I'll leave that to whoever gets the journal. Have a paper clip there to hold that closed, and then this tag is on the back there. Have a tuck spot here made with packing paper. It's just a tag, and then a little journaling spot. Then here is another one of the Tim Holtz Botanicals with a tuck. This is an embossed tag with some gold detailing on it. And it slides in there like that. Got a fabric pull with a safety pin. Underneath here's another tag with the scrapbook paper. And then this is a little piece of ephemera. So this goes back up here like that to hold all that. This is another pocket. It has a tuck spot here with a butterfly, a piece of the scrapbook paper, and this journaling card. This is the other pocket from the one I showed previously. This is a envelope. This is a Project Life card. This is another pocket. Digital paper, Project Life card, journaling card. Digital paper, another one of the Graphics Fairy pockets with a little notes card and a Project Lifestyle card. Digital paper. Then this is another pocket, Project Lifestyle card. This is a vellum postcard and a mixed media tag. Got a little collage here, digital paper. This is a tag, but it's a pocket, again, that holds some paper for writing. It's aged paper. Tucks down in there. Writing space. A die cut. This is just a journaling card with a banner tuck spot. It's got a tab with an eyelet, so if you want to add a charm. This is another tag from the scrapbook paper. Digital paper. This is a flip, so you have extra writing space here and here, as well as here. This is the other side of the vellum. Aged paper with a little sticker detail there. Digital paper, again, with the mixed media tag. Vellum, DIY acetate. Then we have a pocket here with a vellum window. It has a couple of little cards and with tabs on them that slide down in the pocket. And then this is an expandable pocket with some goodies in the pocket. I'm not going to take everything out so that the recipient can have something of a somewhat of a surprise. Also, let's see. There is a pocket behind here. So if you want to tuck something in there, I did leave that open as a pocket as well. The spine is reinforced with fabric that I stamped. Hopefully you can see that. The fabric does wrap around. And so that is it. I don't have a name for this at the time of this recording, but I will put the name in the title of the video. So again, this will be available in the shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC. The link will be in the description box below. Let me know in the comments what you think of the journal. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.